Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The brand Tall Elephant announced a couple of offers, so I thought I'll walk through those offers with you guys in this particular video. And I feel these offers are great in case you felt that 2499 was a little bit much for you to spend for the little black box. And in case you don't know what I'm talking about, once you watch this video, I would have linked another video in my description box. Go check that out. I've done a complete walkthrough on this little black box, which includes all the products for 2499. Anyways, getting back to combos, they have announced 3 combos here, which is awesome. I'm gonna just go through each of these combos and let you guys know which one I would be picking. Okay, so the first one is called your personal space section. This is great in case you already have placed an order for your planner, or if you have a brand that you're thinking of buying from. So this I think is a great addition because you're getting the sticker book, which is really good. I'm impressed by the designs in there. And then you're getting 2 journals, which is a travel journal as well as a self-reflection journal. And then you're also getting some postcards, or I don't know if these are postcards or thank you cards. Okay, these are postcards. Anyways, yeah, so I think it's good. If you haven't journaled before and you're thinking of starting journaling, I think the self-reflection journal would be really good. It'll help you kind of it'll just help you to align the goals with your actions, so that's nice. And then I got a few comments about this travel journal in the other video that I did, saying that this was one of their favorite products in the little black box. So in case you have, if you also like this idea, then this will be a nice thing. So here are some stickers. Like I've said in that other video, I really liked the inclusion of Indian festivals in here. And this combo is for 1499. So you're getting 2 journals, 1 sticker book, and then 1 postcard set. This postcard set has how many cards? It has a set of 9 cards. Okay. So this is combo number 1, and then combo number 2. This is good in case you really like this planner, but then you didn't want to spend 2499. So I feel this is a good price. For 1599, you are getting their planner, you're getting their desk calendar, as well as 2 notebooks. One is a dot grid notebook, and then the other one is a plain notebook. And just one thing to keep in mind, both of these notebooks are A6 in size, so it's the smaller notebooks. I'd say like pocket size notebooks. So that's just something to make a note of. And if you want to know like my thoughts on this planner, it's there in that video. I've done a very detailed walkthrough about all the products that they offer. I think it's a pretty good price considering you're getting the planner along with the desk calendar. So yeah, this is a combo number 2. And then you have this other combo, which is called Double Dhamaka Powerful Duet. And here you're getting the sticker book as well as Universe Speaks to You cards. I really love this. I'm going to be picking up this particular combo because I wanted to try their sticker book. I just felt 2499 was a little bit more money to spend on something that I know I wouldn't be using apart from the sticker book alone. So I didn't place an order for the little black box, but I'm happy that they're offering these combos. So in case you liked 1 or 2 aspects of the little black box, you can pick it up. That is what I'm gonna do. And the sticker book pages are in here, and then Universe Speaks to You cards. I want to know a little bit more about these cards because this was offered as a free gift when you were picking the little black box. So there wasn't much details about this in there. You are getting a powerful set of cards that will remind you to push yourself no matter what, and the formula of everything, of how everything works in this universe. Okay, it is about, okay, it's cards. I want to know how many cards you're getting. I don't think there are any details on the number of cards that you're gonna get. Okay. Anyways, that is fine because it definitely looks like it's a lot. And I use tarot cards as well as oracle cards in my personal development journey. So I feel these card set would be a nice addition along with the sticker book. So I'm going to be picking up this particular sticker book, and let me know if you're going to pick up any of these combos or if you are passing it on for other products from different brands. Let me know in the comments below. Anyways, guys, this was a quick video. I just wanted to let you guys know that they are offering this, because I just noticed that sometimes their offers, they end their offers pretty quickly. The pre-order was ended pretty quickly, so I just thought I'll do a quick video on this. Anyways, I will end it here. Let me know which combo you are gonna buy, and subscribe to my channel for all the hauls that are coming up, because I have placed a lot of orders, and I'm not joking, a lot. So if you are excited to see what those things are, then subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.